As you may know, AI hallucinations are incorrect or misleading results generated by AI models. Of course, the ultimate method to verify the correctness of generated information is to check the individual sources manually and compare it with the generated results. However, as you guessed, this takes long time and reduces the efficiency of using AI. In this short video, I will explain a simple yet effective method to decrease AI hallucination using AI itself. In fact, I will divide it into two-step verification method. Let's start with self-verification. Let's say that we want to generate a table of English FA Cup as follows: year, winner, second place, final match result using ChatGPT. Now, the first part of the process is self-verification, as something like, can you double-check the results to make sure you are not hallucinating? We have forced the AI to self-check itself and correct its mistakes. As you can see, there are several mistakes in the first generation, but the AI managed to correct itself by generating more accurate results. Now, the second part comes, which is external verification. You can go to another AI generator, such as Google Gemini, and ask it to verify the data using a prompt like this one. This is a table of FA Cup: year, winner, second place, the final result. Can you check if the data is correct? Then paste the data generated from the first AI, which is ChatGPT in this case. Now we have a better confidence that our data is correct and accurate. Of course, if the data is really sensitive and requires extreme accuracy, you can repeat the process to a third or even a fourth AI model. That's it for this video. Hope it was useful. If so, please like and subscribe to not miss similar videos.